Alright guys, welcome back to another MCreator tutorial. Today we are making a creative tab, an inventory tab. So when we go into our inventory, we're going to have a tab specifically for our mods here. So we can put all of our mods here in one place, all nice and neat. I have a can of beans in here. You will learn how to make items and foods and everything in the next few tutorials. But today we are going to learn how to make this creative tab. All right, to start making our creative inventory tab, we're going to click the plus. We're going to find creative tab. It should be right here. Click that. And we're going to name it something like my mods. And then click create new creative tab. So this is what the screen should look like. And we're going to name, this is what's going to show up in the game. So my mods, that looks good. Tab icon, so you can click this square button here and we can pick a little icon for our creative inventory tab. If you already have an item of one of your mods, you could choose one of that, or really anything from the vanilla icons here. So I'm going to just select my can of beans. You selected. You can choose anyone again. You selected. And then if you want a search bar for your mods, you can click that, especially if there's a lot of them. But for now, we don't really need that because there's not much. So we can leave that unchecked. And now we can click Save Mod Element. And that's it. That's our inventory tab. Now to add stuff into our inventory tab, whenever we make a new mod, so let's say this one, we're going to double click. And when we go to the properties over here, down here, click properties. In the creative inventory tab, we got to make sure that our inventory tab is there. So let's say it should start out with this, nothing. Then we're going to click that plus, and then find your inventory tab, and then use selected, and it should be right there. And then save mod element. So again, guys, make sure whenever you make a new mod, put it into our inventory tab that we made. In the next few tutorials, I forgot to mention this because I actually recorded this video after those videos, so just a quick note on that. And there you go.